What if everything around us turned into gold? The scenario you're describing, where everything around us turns into gold, would have profound and far-reaching consequences. Let's explore some of the potential outcomes. Gold is a precious metal that holds significant value in our economy. However, if everything were to turn into gold, the sudden abundance of this metal would likely lead to economic chaos. The value of gold would plummet due to oversupply, leading to a collapse in the global financial system. People's savings, investments, and retirement funds tied to gold would be severely affected. The transformation of everyday objects into gold could render them unusable. Essential items such as food, water, and clothing would become solid gold, making them inedible, undrinkable, and impractical to wear. Technological devices, machinery, and infrastructure would also become non-functional, disrupting communication, transportation, healthcare, and more. The conversion of plant life, animals, and natural resources into gold would devastate ecosystems and disrupt the delicate balance of the environment. The loss of biodiversity, disruption of food chains, and destruction of habitats would lead to ecological collapse. Additionally, the massive increase in gold production could have severe environmental consequences, such as deforestation, water pollution, and soil degradation from mining. The sudden transformation of the world into gold would cause widespread panic, confusion, and emotional distress. People's lives, routines, and sense of normalcy would be upended. Societal structures would break down as people grapple with the new reality and struggle to meet their basic needs. The transformation of matter into gold on such a massive scale would defy our current understanding of physics, chemistry, and material science. Scientists would need to study this phenomenon to comprehend how and why it occurred. It could lead to groundbreaking discoveries in our understanding of matter and energy. The transformation of landscapes, monuments, and works of art into solid gold could alter humanity's cultural heritage. Priceless artifacts, historical landmarks, and artistic creations would lose their original meaning and significance. In this new reality, humanity would need to adapt quickly to find ways to survive. People might have to develop alternative methods of sustenance, shelter, and communication. New forms of trade and exchange might emerge as societies seek to establish some semblance of normalcy. In summary, the scenario of everything turning into gold would have catastrophic consequences for the economy, environment, society, and individual well-being. It would require humanity to confront unprecedented challenges and adapt in ways that we can hardly imagine. The scenario serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of our world and the delicate balance that sustains life as we know it. The sudden saturation of gold would lead to hyperinflation and the devaluation of the currency. The previously rare and valuable metal would become abundantly available, causing a collapse in the global financial system. Governments, banks, and businesses would struggle to adapt to the new economic reality, leading to widespread bankruptcies and unemployment. With traditional forms of trade and commerce disrupted, new systems of exchange might emerge. Bartering and resource sharing could become essential for survival. People might place greater value on skills, services, and practical goods that remain functional, leading to a shift away from a purely materialistic society. Scientists and researchers would be presented with an unprecedented opportunity to study the fundamental nature of matter and energy. The spontaneous transformation of objects into gold would challenge the laws of physics and chemistry, prompting new theories and discoveries. Laboratories and research institutions around the world would work tirelessly to unravel the mysteries behind this transformation. This phenomenon could potentially lead to advancements in fields like quantum physics, material science, and metallurgy. Scientists might gain insights into manipulating matter at the atomic and subatomic levels, paving the way for groundbreaking technological innovations far beyond what we can imagine today. The transformation of everyday life would demand rapid adaptation from individuals and societies. People would need to find creative ways to meet their basic needs, such as fashioning tools from remaining functional materials or establishing makeshift shelters in the transformed environment. Communities would form around shared resources, knowledge, and skills. Governments and leadership structures would need to redefine their roles in this new world. The absence of traditional currencies might lead to the development of alternative economic systems based on mutual support and collaboration. Societal values and priorities could shift away from consumerism and material accumulation toward sustainability and communal well-being. Art, which often reflects the prevailing culture and societal norms, would undergo a profound transformation. Artists would be challenged to express themselves using new mediums and materials, while historical artifacts and masterpieces turned to gold would become relics of a bygone era. This shift could inspire a reimagining of artistic expression and lead to the emergence of entirely new art forms. Cultural heritage and identity would face a unique crisis. Landmarks, monuments, and sacred sites transformed into gold would lose their original significance, prompting communities to explore new ways to connect with their history and traditions. Oral storytelling, rituals, and digital means could become vital tools for preserving and passing on cultural knowledge.